So question number 9 talks about a dog takes 7 jumps for every 10 jumps of the lion, and a fox takes 12 jumps for every 10 jumps of the lion. And the distance covered by dog in 5 jumps, lion in 15 jumps, and the fox in 20 jumps is equal. Find the ratio of their speed. So this type of question can be put in our miscellaneous type because it is involving concept of speed as well as certain jumps. If you look at this statement that the distance covered by dog in 5 jumps, lion in 15 and fox in 20, this concept is also involving a scenario of LCM probably. So we'll see how. So this type can be put in miscellaneous type, right? Okay, so this is given to us that dog, lion and fox are given to you, that what he does in 5 jumps, lion is doing in 15 jumps and fox is doing in 20 jumps. So we'll take a LCM of these three, and once you do that you will find out that the LCM is 60. So you divide this 60 by all these numbers. So if you divide it by 5 you'll get 4, and if you you will get 12 over here, and if you divide this 60 by this 15 you'll get 4 over here and 3 over here. So 12 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter are the distances covered by them in every jump of theirs. So in 5 jumps he is covering 60 meter. So this is for dog. In 5 jumps he is covering 60 meters. So every jump he will cover 12 meters. Similarly for lion, he is covering 60 meter in 15 jumps. So every jump would be that of 4 meters. And similarly for fox, 20 jumps are dealing with 60 meters, so every jump would be worth 3 meters. Now it is given to us that dog is taking 7 jumps for every 10 jumps of the lion, and fox is taking 12 jumps for every 10 jumps of the lion. So 7, 10 and 12 are the given scenarios for us for dog, lion and fox. So all we have to do is multiply it by 12, because 12 meters is covered by dog, and 4 for lion because 4 meter is what we achieved from here, and 3 over here. So 12 times 7 is 84, 10 times 4 is 40 and 12 times 3 is 36. So your ratio would be 84 is to 40 is to 36. So if you further solve it, you will divide the entire thing by 4, because it is the only number which we think should be able to divide it. Let's see. 4 divides 84, so we'll get 21. Here you will divide 40 by 4, you'll get 10. And here the answer would be 9. So final ratio of their speeds would be 21 is to 10 is to 9. So this is dog speed, this is lion speed, and this is fox's speed, right? So this is how you solve questions of this nature, in which multiple concepts, that is that of LCM, of that of speed, all the things are available to us.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page, where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.